I'm obsessed, and I don't know why, with eyebrows. It's really strange. I love, thick, dark eyebrows. And I don't know why, I always have. Maybe I've been hanging out with Paul Wesley too much. But it's funny because back in Australia when I was with my friends, if they saw a girl with really good eyebrows, they'd come up to me and they'd say, "Hey, I just saw a girl with really good eyebrows at the bar." And I'd be like, "Where? Which way did she go? Was it this one? She's got good eyebrows." No, it wasn't that one. I was just obsessed with eyebrows. I don't know why. So yeah, eyebrows will do me. I love eyebrows. But you know what? It's more personality for me. A girl has to have a beautiful heart. She has to be very family orientated. I think she has to be extremely humble, but also very, very confident in herself. So things like that I'm really attracted to. Still looking. Well, that's confidence. I like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, darling.